I'm showing today this wonderful unit for rent, 311, that's located in Ocean View, 19380 Collies Avenue. This remodel unit. They have here stainless steel appliances, granite countertop, dishwasher, microwave, very nice stainless steel refrigerator, a space for you to put some storage, table, and a lot of space for storage. You have like 5 closets in this unit and a huge living area. It's a beautiful view also. We don't have ocean view, but it's a quiet view. We don't have too much noise from the traffic. As you can see, it's a very quiet, a lot of nice space. It's open. You can put like a bar, some chairs, use this as a table and save some extra space. You have 1 closet, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 closets. A 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It's about 1,000 square feet plus balcony. You see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closets and 3 walk-in closets. 1, 2, and 3. There's a more closet than most 2-bedrooms apartment. And then you have a tile floor. Very convenient, very clean, fresh painted unit. Don't waste opportunity. It's a very good price for this unbelievable location in Saniayo. Some of the best school for you and your kids.